Welcome back, everybody. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get rid of this create radial gradient. And you probably know that there are radial gradients, but there's also linear gradients. So if you type in create linear gradient, just like this, what will end up happening is, we can give it some parameters, that 10 being the x, 10 being, and 11 being the y. And then the next being the second x and the second y. So we can give this, let's say, 100 and let's say 10. Okay, and you can see that you can go ahead and play around with this as well. So if I make these both 100, 100, you can see that that is the rotation here, or 0, like this, or we give it 0. You can see that it is, we can give this, let's say, 500. Just like that. You can go ahead and play around with this as much as you want. Now, another thing I should probably mention at this point in time is that just because we created the linear gradient versus the radial gradient, these add color stops change. Now, watch what happens when I go ahead and I add in a third one here. So let's say I add in 3 here, like this, or 2. Because you see we have 0, 1, and 2, and we'll give it another color, let's say red. And you see that it doesn't quite work. And the reason is because in the back end, create radial and linear gradients only take in 2 color stops, all right? And so essentially, if you want to add in those 2 kinds of gradients, you're more than welcome to. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.